Ready to upgrade to the smartphone of your dreams? 2025 is here, and it's bringing some of the most mind-blowing smartphones we've ever seen. From Apple's sleek iPhone 16 Pro Max to Samsung's camera powerhouse, Galaxy S24 Ultra, and even foldable wonders like the OnePlus Open. This year's lineup has something for everyone. Are you a camera junkie, a gaming enthusiast, or just looking for the best bang for your buck? Stick around, because today we're diving into the top 10 best new smartphones of 2025 you won't want to miss. Let's get started. 1. Best Premium iPhone. iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's a status symbol. Apple's flagship for 2025 comes packed with a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with ultra-slim bezels, making it perfect for streaming and multitasking. Powered by the A18 Pro chipset, it's one of the fastest phones on the market, handling even the most demanding apps with ease. But the real star, battery life. With an upgraded 4,685 mAh battery and faster MagSafe wireless charging, it delivers over 8 hours of screen time. What's new this year? A new 48MP ultra-wide camera, an intuitive camera control button, and faster wireless charging make this the best iPhone yet. However, with a starting price of $1,200, it's an investment for those who demand nothing but the best. 2. Best Premium Android Phone. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is Samsung's masterpiece of engineering. With its stunning 6.8-inch dynamic and OLED display, it's a visual treat, even in direct sunlight thanks to its reflection-free coating. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it a beast for gaming and productivity. Its cameras are next level, with a 200MP main sensor and an innovative 5x zoom lens that captures every detail. Why is it the best premium Android phone? Samsung combines performance with versatility. The S Pen adds unmatched functionality for creators and professionals, while One UI keeps everything smooth and intuitive. It's the ultimate all-rounder for Android enthusiasts. 3. Best iPhone for most people. iPhone 16. Whistles of a Pro Max. Enter the iPhone 16, the perfect balance of performance and affordability. At $800, it's packed with the A18 chipset, MagSafe wireless charging, and Apple Intelligence features. It's built to last with 7 years of iOS updates, making it a great long-term investment. What sets it apart? The 6.1-inch size is compact yet spacious, and its new dimming feature is perfect for nighttime use. Whether you're capturing moments or scrolling through social media, the iPhone 16 does it all without breaking the sweat. 4. Best Android phone for most people. Google Pixel 9. Google's Pixel 9 is the people's champion for Android users. Its clean design, robust Tensor G4 chipset, and upgraded 50MP main camera make it an unbeatable value at $800. The Pixel 9 also excels in AI-driven features like live transcription and photo editing. Pro tip: if you're tired of bloatware, the Pixel 9's pure Android experience is a dream. Plus, its 7 years of updates mean you're future-proofed for nearly a decade. 5. Best camera phone. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra redefines smartphone photography. Its quad-camera setup includes a 200MP main sensor and dual telephoto lenses, delivering unparalleled zoom capabilities. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or night scenes, this phone performs like a DSLR. Camera features you'll love. New AI-powered modes make subject separation flawless, and its low-light performance has been fine-tuned for crisp, clear images. If photography is your passion, this phone should be in your pocket. 6. Best foldable phone. On Plus Open. Foldables are the future, and the On Plus Open is leading the charge. With its near crease-free 7.8-inch display and lightweight design, it feels futuristic yet practical. The open canvas multitasking feature is a standout, letting you work or play on a large screen with ease. Who is it for? If you want a phone that's as innovative as it is functional, the On Plus Open is your go-to. Plus, its cameras are top-tier, and its 67W fast charging ensures you're never tethered for long. 7. Best flip phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is proof that good things come in small packages. With a refined hinge, upgraded 50MP camera, and improved durability, it's the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Why choose the Flip 6? Its compact design makes it ultra-portable, while the front screen is perfect for quick tasks. It's a stylish choice for those who want a phone that stands out. 8. Best almost flagship phone. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. The Galaxy S24 FE is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune for flagship features. With a 120Hz AMOLED display, a versatile triple camera setup, and a powerful Exynos processor, it offers incredible value at $650. Who should buy this? Anyone looking for premium features on a budget. The S24 FE delivers performance, style, and reliability without the flagship price tag. 9. Best Android phone. Under $500. Google Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8a is the budget-friendly Android phone that doesn't compromise. With its Tensor G3 chipset, excellent camera, and 7 years of updates, it's a steal under $500. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a reliable phone without breaking the bank. 10. Best iPhone on a budget. iPhone 14. The iPhone 14 remains a strong contender for budget-conscious Apple fans. At $600, it offers a bright OLED display, a powerful A15 Bionic chip, and excellent photo quality. Why consider the iPhone 14? It's the ideal entry point into the Apple ecosystem, offering great performance and features at a reasonable price. Final thoughts. So, which smartphone will you choose to level up your tech in 2025? From premium powerhouses to budget-friendly champs, this year's lineup has something for everyone. Let us know your top pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and stay tech savvy.